Yeah.
Join us, there's room on the beach.
Good.
I think I got water on my lens. I think they started a little early, did they?
Yeah.
They should, because of the rain. Okay, wait my thing again.
Oh my God.
She reminds me of me. Oh, her mommy be yelling that too when she was little. Bugs are biting the heck out of me. I got a big thing on my face from it. Woo! Kara, are you watching? I love to live through kids' eyes. Everything's so awesome to them and all.
Yeah.
try and look through my viewfinder and watch them. Oh, that's so pretty. Uh-huh. I love them. That was a banger.
Uh-huh.
I was at the shopping center last month, and there was an eagle flying right over me there. Cause yeah, I stopped at Wendy's and I park in the parking lot, and me and Carrie eat there, and we talk to the fairies. We do, and the crows are usually all there, and so I look up and I see this bird, and I go, what is this? That's a big one. Long story short, I figured out it was an eagle, and I was recording. And when I went to look at my thing, I never recorded it. I hit the button twice.
Oh my God.
I was so excited to see the eagle, I didn't even see that if it was recording. I thought it was. So I was like, oh well, I guess it was just meant for me and you, Kara.
Whoa.
Nice. Oh, they can wake the dead here, man. We got some pretty cool looking orbs there. That orange one was awesome.
Yeah, it was.
Next time you have a friend with, just tell them to wait, for crying out loud. You know me, I'll find room somewhere. I could have stuck her in the trunk.
Yeah.
But there was room in the back. I could sit 3 in the back.
Yeah, she could have put it back.
Look at that. Look at that. What the hell is that? What are they?
Airplane?
They have to... No, they're not moving. They're hardly moving. I would say helicopters. They're probably getting the... Oh, I think I'm missing it. Sorry. Yeah, it's moving now. I see it. Looked like it was standing still there.
Oh.
This will take me 2 hours to download. You like it, huh? Woo, baby. Did somebody get hurt?
I love the big one.
You know what? When Jess was her age though, Jess didn't like them because they were too loud. I remember that. She didn't like the loud noise.
I really like the big one.
She never did. That was a pretty one.
Yeah, it was.
That was loud. Maybe it's for the
Did? Oh. I was like, oh, we have a cricket. I forgot. As your phone.
Yeah. Ow.
Why do you like a why don't you like the big one sound?
Whoa.
What?
So big.
Go sit with John Luke, honey. Oh, she did already. Birdie.
Flower.
Yeah. Orange. Birdie. Oh, this hurts my back, man. Wow. What? That's all right. Just watch the thing, and you can't take it off. Just leave it on, Carolyn. You'll just have to deal. Is this the finale? No? Kira, watch them.
Ow.
Mommy,
What, babe?
kids not letting me sit on her
You
chair.
don't have to sit on the chair. I don't like that.
Sit on the blanket, honey. Take turns.
Man, she's doing them all. She's doing them all.
Let me sit down.
You have to do it because I have to do this.
Kira. Kira.
Kira.
The fireworks.
Okay, Kira, you stay on the blanket. Luke, get on the chair. Kira, on the blanket or in the car? Kira, on the blanket or in the car?
This might be it.
Totally missed that one.
Jean Luc,
What?
do you want to sit in the car?
No.
Then go sit down.
It's not letting me to.
Kira.
Mommy,
What?
Kira's not letting me
right over here.
Kira, get in the car. Did she move? I can't see.
Yeah, they're sitting there.
Get in the car.
What y'all do?
What are you doing?
You better leave him alone.
Those are so cool when they're growing up.
I know. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, here we go.